Good day, positive thinkers. In this video, you are going to learn about the factors and the multiples of a given number. First, let us discuss about the factors of a number. For example, Mrs. Tan plans to have a group activity for her science class. Her class has a total of 26 pupils and she wants to group them with equal number of members. How many different groups can she divide the class equally? Okay, so we can group the class into 26, where we can have 26 groups, and in each group we can have one pupil. We can also group them into two groups of 13. We can also group them into 13 groups with 2 members in each group. And we can also group them into one group with 26 members. Okay, so those are the possible groupings that Mrs. Tan needs to have for the group activity for her science class. Therefore, Mrs. Tan can divide the pupils equally into groups of 1s, 2s, 13, or 26. 1, 2, 13, and 26 are factors of 26. Let us have more examples. Letter A, find the factors of 12. So 12 could be the product of 1 and 12, 2 and 6, or 3 and 4. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Letter B, find the factors of 25. So 25 could be the product of 1 and 25 and 5 and 5. Therefore, the factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. In multiplication, the numbers to be multiplied are called factors, while the answer is called the product. For example, the factors that produce the product of 30 are 5 and 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Here, 5 and 6 is called the factors, or are called the factors, while 30 is the product. 30 could be also the product of 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10. The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Let us go to multiples. Okay, so let us observe the path of the frog. So the frog jumps at 2, next to 4, then 6, 8, 10, and so on. So as we can observe, 2 going to 4 is by adding 2. And then 4 going to 6 is also adding 2. So we can observe the pattern that we are adding 2 number or 2 to each digit or to each number. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, and so on. So the numbers written above are the products when we multiply 2 by counting numbers starting from 1. The numbers are called multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 here are the products when we multiply 2 by counting numbers starting from 1. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, and so on. Let us study the multiplication table of 10. So here is an example of the times table of 10. We are multiplying 10 by counting numbers starting from 1. 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 10 is 30, 4 times 10 is 40, 5 times 10 is 6, 5 times 10 is 50, and so on. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and so on are the multiples of 10. The products, when we multiply a whole number by all counting numbers starting from 1, are called multiples of the whole number. For example, the multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on. Okay, 9 could be the product of 1 and 9, 2 and 9, 3 times 9, that is 27, 4 times 9 is 36, 5 times 9 is 45, and the multiples of 9 will continue. Therefore, we can say that the multiples of a number are infinite or never ends. Let us find the first 6 multiples of the number 4. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Multiples of 11, first 6 multiples of 11. We have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and 66. Multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. And that is all about this video, and